a shy person? Hello, good morning. How are you doing, superheroes? Hi, this is Komal, and welcome back to 3 Minutes Tips and Tricks to Be Yourself Superhero. So, are you a shy person, or is your child a shy or introvert in your world? Um, I am sure that there are so many parents or so many kids uh, who are shy or who are introvert, and we always wonder that how will they, share their opinions in public? Will they ever be able to do a public speaking kind of a thing, or will they face challenges, or is it bad? Okay, so I am here for some tips and tricks that can help you to make your child and maybe yourself as well deal with this. Okay, first of all, there is nothing to deal with. There is no problem at all in being shy or being in a introvert person. Um, no problem at all. But the problem is that we don't want ourselves or our kids to, miss some opportunities or miss some um, life chances that they can have just because of their personality. So it's not like that all the introverts or all the shy people cannot be successful, cannot be in public, or cannot have friends, or cannot have relationships. It's not true at all. So all we have to do is, be it ourselves or be it our kids, first of all, let's not put ourselves or our kids in a bucket. Let's not always say that my kid is a shy child, my kid is a introvert child, and hence everything is happening. No. Uh, Even if your kid is a shy child, let's not keep putting them into buckets, because if we label them, then they start feeling that way constantly, even if they're just exploring right now and they're not really permanently shy, or they're not really facing any challenges because of this. But because of our insecurities, we start passing, our insecurities to them. So let's not do that. It's completely okay. So what we can do, or what they can do is, firstly, again, whatever we are doing and trying is only because we don't want any challenges or any opportunities to miss, or any chances to miss in our life. So firstly, you can start practicing sharing your opinions is important. Even if you don't want to, be in the public a lot, but unable to share or express your opinion or your ideas or your suggestions or whatever you have to say is a problem for sure. So start practicing at your home. I would say just with your parents maybe. Parents can let the kids give some time whenever they feel like, let them talk. When they're talking, don't try to interrupt, and avoid saying no too much for these kind of people or kids. Avoid interrupting them in between when they are speaking or when they are sharing their opinions. It's very important. You can also start practicing more, often with your close friends, right? And remember, the focus is not here on speaking in public or standing on a stage or doing that, because it's not really a mandatory thing to do. If you can, it's really good. But what is important is, if you are in public and if you have some opinion on something that you strongly feel about, you should be able to speak on it, you should be able to express it. If you don't want it, it's completely fine. But whenever you want it, you should not be nervous about it. And even if you are getting nervous, let's say, and if you are having, let's say, panic key feeling while in these situations, take a deep breath, calm yourself down, and try. Never stop trying. So remember, it's not important to go in public and give yourself a panicky feeling, but it's important to be wherever the situation is and have that confidence that you can share your opinion and ideas. So all the best, keep learning, stay tuned. I'll be back with more tips and tricks to make your child smart, confident, and independent. And also, if your child is a shy child and if you want them to have more opportunities to speak, to participate, you can definitely check out our program. Link is in the bio. Just 2 sessions per week to make your child a little more confident that they are. Keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.